Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a first move double twist out. Not to be mixed up with the first move double twist, which is a different move. I'll put links to the first move in the description because you need to be able to do one of those already. If you need to go back and check anything out, it's going to be easy and quick for you to find it. Jumping in, it looks like this. It takes up a little bit more space than usual. So we'll move over here and it goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Let's break it down. It starts off like a standard first move. We go back, we come in, we twist the lady out, and for once the guy actually weights his back foot. And then we take a step, guy's right, lady's left, through the middle, so we're facing each other, and then we twist out again. This time the guy doesn't have to weight his back foot if he doesn't want to. And then we just undo what we did. So we step forward to face, through the middle, preparation for a turn, and then finish the first move off as usual. Turn and face, return and back. So you're basically taking the twist out at the end of the first move and doing it twice. Let's break it down from a numbers point of view. We go back 1, in 2, twist 3 and 4, forwards 5 and prep 6, turning 7, looking 8, returning 1 and back 2. Let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, first move, double twist out. We go a back and in, twist and twist, forward and prep, turn, face, return and back. And that's the whole thing. Hope that one becomes a friend to you out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Big thank you to everyone who likes and subscribes and helps support the channel. Yeah, seriously, big thank you. Music recommendation on the end, something nice for you to practice this too. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.